Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with William, the channel where learning English is not just easy, but enjoyable and inspiring. I'm Emily, your guest for today.
And I'm William, your host. It's great to have you here again. Whether you're listening from home, at work, or on your morning walk, thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you so much. So, William, how have you been this week?
Laughs. Honestly, it's been one of those weeks. Very busy, very noisy, and very tiring. I've been running from one task to another.
I understand that feeling completely. When life gets too full, everything feels a bit like chaos.
Exactly. Chaos. That's our word of the day, actually. It means total confusion. When things feel out of control, too many problems, too much noise.
That's a great word to learn and a great topic to talk about. Today, we're going to talk about how to find calm when life feels difficult, and how those same ideas can help you when learning English feels hard too.
Perfect. But before we dive in, friends, if you're enjoying this podcast, please take a quick second to subscribe to Learning English with William.
Yes, and give this episode a thumbs up, or share it with a friend who's also learning English. It helps our channel grow, and we're so grateful for your support.
Thank you. All right, let's begin.
So, William, when everything feels messy or stressful, what do you usually do first?
If I'm honest, my first thought is to just hide under my blanket. Laughs.
Laughs. Oh, yes, I've been there too. But hiding never really helps, does it?
No, not for long. Usually, I try to sit quietly for a few minutes. I close my eyes, take a few deep breaths, and say a short prayer. It helps me focus again.
That's beautiful. Taking time to be still is powerful. For me, I like to write my feelings down in a journal. When I put my thoughts on paper, they stop spinning in my head.
That's a wonderful tip. Writing or praying, both help us slow down. Because when life moves too fast, we forget to pause.
Exactly. And that pause is where peace begins.
You know, Emily, there's a verse I love. Sadness may last for the night, but joy comes in the morning.
Ah, yes. That means that even if life feels dark right now, it won't stay that way forever. Morning always comes.
Right. That idea gives us something really important. Hope.
Hope is like a small light in a dark room. Even a little bit of hope can help you keep going.
Yes. And hope doesn't mean everything is perfect. It just means you believe things can get better.
Exactly. So when life feels hard, or when English grammar feels impossible, we need that same hope.
That's a great connection. Many English learners feel hopeless when they make mistakes. They think, I'll never be fluent.
But mistakes are proof that you're trying. Every time you make one, you're learning something new.
Yes, so don't give up. Remember, joy comes in the morning. Progress takes time, but it's coming.
Okay, William, let's talk about something you said earlier. Being strong. People always say, be strong. But what does that really mean?
Good question. I think being strong doesn't mean you never cry or feel sad. It means you keep moving, even when you feel weak.
That's so true. Sometimes strength is just taking one tiny step forward.
Exactly. When life feels like chaos, Don't look at the whole mountain. Just look at the next step.
Like what kind of step?
Simple things. Get out of bed. Brush your teeth. Open the window. Drink some water. Small things.
That sounds small, but it's powerful. Because when you do something, even tiny, you remind yourself that you still have control over something.
Right? And that helps you keep going.
Here's another big thing that helps me: people. When life feels heavy, I try to talk to someone I trust.
That's a great one. When I feel down, I sometimes want to be alone, but that usually makes it worse.
Yes, we all need connection. You don't have to fix anything, just talk. Call your mom, your best friend, or meet someone for a cup of coffee.
Coffee. Always a good idea. Laughs.
Always. But the conversation is even more important. Sometimes you can talk about your problem. Other times, you just talk about silly things or laugh together.
Laughing is healing. They say laughter is medicine, and it's true.
So if anyone listening feels alone right now, please remember you're not. Reach out. Someone cares.
That brings us to one of my favorite ideas: finding small joys in everyday life.
I love that. When life feels difficult, your brain sees only problems. You have to look for good things, even tiny ones.
Like what, for example?
For me, it can be small things. The smell of fresh coffee, a warm blanket, or a good song on the radio.
Yes. Or the sunshine after a rainy day, or a message from a friend saying, "I'm thinking of you."
Those moments remind us that the world is still beautiful.
Exactly. My small joy today is this conversation, and maybe the cookie I brought for later. Laughs.
Laughs. I was just going to say that. Cookies are my favorite small joy. Now, let's connect all of this to learning English, because many learners feel exactly this kind of chaos.
Yes. I get so many messages from students saying, "William, I'm tired. I study every day, but I don't see progress."
That's normal. Learning a language is a journey. There are ups and downs.
So let's apply the same 5 tips to English learning.
All right. Number 1, have hope. Remember your reason for learning. Why did you start?
Maybe you want a better job, or to travel, or to connect with people around the world. Keep that goal in your heart.
Number 2, have faith. Believe that you can do it, even if it takes time.
Number 3, take small steps. Don't study 10 grammar lessons in one day. Learn just one new word. Watch one English video.
Yes, even 15 to 20 minutes of practice every day is enough. Small steps build big results.
Number 4, talk to people. Don't study in silence. Find a study partner, join a conversation club, or speak English with a friend online.
And number 5, find small joys. Enjoy the process. Watch your favorite movie in English. Sing along to an English song. Celebrate every little improvement.
Exactly. Every time you understand a new word or finish a short lesson, that's progress. That's your small joy for the day.
So, whether life feels chaotic or learning English feels hard, remember, have hope, have faith. Take small steps, stay connected, and find your small joys.
Beautiful summary, Emily. None of these things make problems disappear instantly, but they help us live peacefully through the problems.
Yes, and as we keep going, the storm passes and we find the calm again.
Exactly. Just like learning English. It might feel impossible at first, but one day you'll look back and realize how far you've come.
That's the magic of small steps. And a little hope.
Well said. And that's all for today's episode of Learning English with William.
Thank you so much for listening. We really hope today's talk brought you some calm, some encouragement, and maybe a smile.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, give this episode a like, and share it with someone who might need a little motivation today.
And now, here's your practice question. What is one small joy you found today? Or, what do you do when life feels difficult?
Write your answer in the comments below. In English. It's great writing practice, and we love reading your messages.
Thank you again for spending this time with us. Stay hopeful, stay kind, and keep learning.
And remember, even small progress is still progress.
Bye for now.